my dear students. I hope everybody is safe and sound, keeping healthy and studying as well. Dear students, in previous class we have discussed about a fourth chapter, that is multiples and factors. Okay, fourth chapter multiples and factors we have discussed in a 3 videos. Okay, I hope all of you have watched all those videos. Then today let us move on to the next chapter, that is fifth chapter, HCF and LCM. Here this chapter is links to the fourth chapter. Okay, if you are learned fourth chapter well, then you will understand this HCF and LCM well here. Okay, so here now onwards, for one chapter to another chapter it is going to be link. Okay, so you want to be study well. Okay, you should not neglect any chapters. Okay, dear students, everyone should take your rough notebook, pen with that textbook. Okay, now what I am discussing and what I am solving on the board problems, everyone should note in your rough notebook. Then itself you can be able to solve all types of problems. Then you are not having any doubts also. Okay, then what the problems I am going to tell you, everyone should solve all those problems, and after solving those all problems, everyone should send me a photocopy. Okay, this you should not be forget. See, one who is not sending me a photocopy, they are not going to be understand what I am solving here. Okay, so you are very good students. I know that everyone are going to be send me a photocopy. Okay, so now let us start our first topic, that is highest common factor. In this fifth chapter, HCF and LCM, first we will discuss about the HCF. What this HCF tells? HCF means what? HCF means highest common factors. You know that how to find the factors. We have discussed how to find the factors in a previous class. Is it in a multiples and factors? We have discussed in factors part, prime factorization method. Okay, and how to find the factors for a given number. All these we have discussed in the previous chapter. So you have to be know well, and some of you have all thorough with that chapter. So here you will understand well. Okay, so first in this highest common factor, first what they have given in your textbook, that is the HCF of two or more numbers is the greatest number that divides all the numbers without leaving any remainder. It is called a greatest common divisor. Okay, the number is going to be divide completely without leaving any remainder. Okay, so by that itself we are going to find the factor. Is it? In a previous class we have discussed already. If it is getting a remainder, means it is not a factor number. Okay, if it is going to divide completely by remainder should get zeros. Okay, then it is a factor number. Okay, this way you have to follow. Here greatest common divisor is also same and the highest common factor is also a same. So we will study 3 ways to find the HCF of a given number. We can find the number of a HCF in a 3 ways. So in the first method we will see, that is inspection method. See here, first HCF by inspection method, that is by multiplication tables. Here nothing but inspection is multiplication tables. So for example, I have given that 20 and 30. Here you will get a question like this. Find the HCF of 20 and 30 by inspection. Okay, you will get a question in this way. So if you get question in this way, how to solve this type of question? Okay, this is what very easy. You know that we will find the factors. How to find the factors we have discussed already in a previous class. Now here I have taken find the HCF of 20 and 30 by inspection. Means here 20 and 30 should arise in a same table. Means now if you are writing two table, means 2 ones are table, those two numbers should be arise in two tables. Okay. Now you check whether 20 is arise in a two table. Yes, 20 is going to be arise in a two table. 2 how much are 20? 2 tens are 20. Is it? Then now this completes. Okay. Now 30 also arise, must be arise in a two table. Okay. Then 2 how much are 30? 2 15s are. Okay. 2 15s are 30. Then now both the numbers will arise in which table? Two table. Okay. So you want to write that we find 20 and 30 together in the multiplication table of, okay, which table will you find? In two table. Okay, first we will write here 2. In two table we will get both the numbers. Then after, in which table will you get 20 and 30? Will you get in three table 20 and 30? You will get 30, but 20 you will not get. But we need both the numbers should be arise in same table. Okay, only one number should not arise. Both the numbers should arise in a same table. Then itself we call as an inspection method. Okay. Now in 3 table it will not arise 20, only 30 will arise. So 3 will not comes here. Next in 4 table also 20 also not comes and 30 also not come. Okay, 4 5s are 20 you will get here, but in 30 you will not get. Okay, so here in 4 table also you are not eligible to get 30. Okay, so now except 4, next which number you will get? 5. Okay, in 5 table will you get 20 and 30? Yes, you will get 20 and 30 in 5 table. 2 how much are 20? Sorry, 5 how much are 20? 5 4s are 20. Then 5 how much are 30? 5 6 are 30. Okay, in 5 table you will get 20 and 30. 5 4s are 20, 5 6 are 30. So we want to write here 5. Okay, in 2 table we will get 20 and 30. In 5 table we will get 20 and 30. Then except this, in which table will you get both 20 and 30? 6. Okay, in 6 table will you get 20 and 30? No, you will not get 20 and 30 in 6 table, is it? You will get only 30, but 20 you will not get. So it is not comes to right here. Then which table? Directly we will go on to the 10 table. In a table 10 we will get 20 and 30 both in the same table. 10 how much are 20? 10 2s are 20. Then 10 3s are 30. Is it? So in 10 table the both 20 and 30 is going to be how? Multiple. Okay. In this way you want to find. Now after finding this, after 10 you will not get. In 11 table also you will not get 20 and 30. Okay. Again in 12 you will not get. Okay. So here we stop. So after we are getting these numbers, what we should do? Now we have to find the highest common factor. Okay. How to find in this? Which is the highest common factor? Will you tell me? Highest means what? Highest means the greater number. Okay, highest means greater number you want to find here. In this, which is the greater number? Okay, very good. Here 10 is a greater number. Is it now? HCF of 20 and 30 is 10. Okay, in this way you have to write. Finally, therefore, HCF of 20 and 30 is equal to which number? Which is the highest common factor we got here? That is 10. Okay, 10 we got, so we want to write here 10. HCF of 20 and 30 is 10. In this way you have to find the factors by using this inspection method. Next, after this, here one more example I have taken, 21 and 56. Here what we got three numbers, but in somewhere you can get only one table. Okay, in one table itself you are getting some of the numbers. Okay, so that is 21 and 56 I have taken. These two numbers, in which table you are going, it is going to be arise? It is going to be arise in a 7 table. Okay, in a 7 ones it is going to be arise both the numbers. So here what you have to write in the solution, we find 21 and 56. You write down what I am telling here. Okay, I thought I hope everyone have copied this in your rough notebook. Okay, then here we find 21 and 56 together in a multiplication table of, okay, 7. Okay, only in a 7 table we will get 21 and 56. Except 7 table, in other table 8, 9, 10, 2, 8. In this your table you are not getting these two numbers. Okay, in these two numbers you will not get in the same table. Only in a 7 table itself you will get these two numbers. So at last you want to write only one number you are getting here. Okay, we find 21 and 56 together in a multiplication table of 7. Okay, only in a 7 table we will get 21 and 56. Then therefore HCF of highest common factor of 21 and 56 is equal to 7. Okay, only 7 will get here, so you want to write HCF 7 itself. Okay, in this way you want to find the answer. Dear students, here these are two problems I have taken from your exercise. Okay, this is not from your exercise problem, only first problem is from your exercise. They have given, that is in 5.1, exercise 5.1, find the HCF of following numbers by inspection method. Inspection means what? Multiplication table. Okay, both the numbers should arise in a same multiple table. Okay, so I have taken this question from your exercise A main, second question. Okay, 20 and 30, this is the second question I have taken. Then remaining 3, only 4 questions they have given. Remaining 3 you have to solve by your own by following these steps. Okay, what the step I have followed here, same step you want to follow. If you are not getting a point how to solve, you repeat the video. Okay, then you will get how to solve the problem. Then here we got only 7 is the highest common factor. This is all about the method. First, HCF by inspection method. Inspection method means what? That is multiplication table. Next we will move on to the one more method, that is HCF by finding common factors. They may give only finding factors. If they give only finding factor means also you want to find the common factor. If they are going to mention common factor means you want to find the common factor itself. Now for example I have taken 18, 24. Here you will get the question like this. Find the HCF of 18 and 24 by finding factors. You know that how to find the factors, is it? That is what first we want to use an HCF method. That is 18. Okay, here factorization method we want to use, that is 2 homers are 18, 2 nines are, okay, in 2 table will you get 9. Okay, in the 2 table you will get 18, is it? 18 and 24. So 2 nines are 18. Then 3 in 2 table you will not get 9. So I am going to take here 3 because 3 is a prime number. Okay. 3 homers are 9. 3 threes are 9. Then after 3 ones are 3. Next this completes here 18. Next we want to find for 24. We want to find the factors for 24. That is, this is by which method we are following? We are following a division method. Here in the previous class we have seen that is two types of methods. Is it to find the factors? We will find a factor tree method and the division method. Both two methods we have seen, but we will follow a division method itself. This is a division method we are following to find the factors. Now 2 how much are 24? 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 twelves are 24. Okay. Then 2 how much are 12? 2 6 are 12. Very good. See dear students, what I am asking you have to repeat. Okay, you want to answer to me. Okay, but I know that I hope some of you are answering. Okay, one who are not answering, you have to try to answer. Then 2 how much are 6? 2 3s are. After this, in 2 table you will not get 3, so I am going to take only 3 here. 3 ones are 3. Now after finding this division method, what we have to do? We want to find the factors of 18 and 24. We want to find the factors of 18. Okay, this 18 will comes in a table 2. Okay, 2 how much are 18? 2 9s are 18. 2 9s are 18. Then again in which table it will come? 2 how much in 2 table finished. Now 3 in 3 table you will not get. Is it? Will you get or not in 3 table? Yes, you will get in 3 table also. 3 6 are 18. Next after 3, in which table you will get 18? You will get directly in 6. You will not get in a 4 table and 5 table. Okay, in 4 and 5 table you will not get 18. So in 6 table you will get 6. How much are 18? 6 3s are 18. So in 6 table you will get 18. Next again in which table you will get? In 9 table you will get. In 7 table and 8 table you will not get 18. So directly in 9 table you will get 18. 9 how much are 18? 9 2s are 18. So 9. Okay. Here 2, 3, 6, 9 are the factors of 18. You know that how to find the factors? Is it? I have said in a previous chapter video. Well, okay, by solving a multiplication method I have shown you. Okay, but now I am writing here directly. You should not get confused. Okay, so you want to watch every videos carefully. Then itself you are going to be understand the concepts well. So I have written here directly. Next, factors of 24. Factors of 24. Then again in which table you will get 24? In 2 table will you get 24? Yes, in 2 table you will get 24. 2 how much are 24? 2 12s are 24. Then in 3 table also you will get 24. After the 3 table, in next which table will you get 24? In 4 table. 4 6 are 24. Then after this 5 table, no, you will not get in a 5 table. Then in next 6 table you will get 24. 6 4s are 24. You will get. Is it? Then 7. In 7 table you will not get. Then in 8 table also you will not get. In 9 also you will not get. 10 11. No. Directly you will get 12. In okay. In a 12 table you will get 24. 12 2s are 24. 2, 3, 4, 6, 12 are the factors of 24. Okay. So here now we got the factors of 18 and 24. Okay. We got the factors of 18 and 24. In this we want to find the highest common factor. Highest common factor, which is that that is in both these numbers, which number is common? 2 is common, okay, and 3 is also common, okay, then 6 is also common, okay, but 4 is not present here, 9 is also not present here, 12 is not present here, okay. So in 2, 3, 6, okay, these three are common, is it? In these three, which is the highest common factor, highest number, which is, that is 6, is it? 6 is a highest common factor. So therefore HCF of 18 and 24 is 6. Okay, in this way you have to write HCF of 18 and 24 is 6. Dear student, this you should not get confused. Okay, you should not write this number itself here. Okay, the problem will becomes wrong. This is not divisor method, this is a factor method. Okay, you should not get confused. You know that factors, how to find the factors, is it? So you use that method and you follow here. Okay, but I have written directly, you should not get confused, because I have explained in a previous class well and clearly about the factors. Okay, I hope you all of you have know about the factors well, so I am written like this. So this is about an factor 2. Method 2. Method 2 tells that HCF by finding common factor. This is what about the first method, HCF by inspection method multiplication table, that is HCF by finding common factors. These are the two methods. Next, one more method is prime factorization method. Dear students, now let us see about an method 3, HCF by prime factorization method. Here you know that already this prime factorization we have discussed in a previous chapter itself. Okay, now you know that how to find the prime factorization of 20 and 50 and 25. So now let us start this. So before starting this, here one point you should be remember, the product of all common prime factors is the HCF of a given number. Okay, here what we are finding the factors now, that we are finding some of the common factors in that. Okay, what the product will get after finding the common factors, we want to find the product of all the common factors, that the product is the HCF of a given number. Okay, this you have to remember. Now first we will take an 50. Okay, then this will comes in which table? This will comes in a table 2. 2 how much are 5? You will not get 5. Less than 5 means 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. Here it remains 1. Is it? Now it will become 10. Okay, listen carefully and watch the video and you solve the problem this in your rough notebook. 2 2s are 4. 1 remains here. Then it will become 10. 2 5s are 10. Okay, 2 25s are 50. Okay, 2 25s are 50 you will get. Then in 2 table will you get 25? No, you will not get 25. In 3 table also you will not get 25. Then 4, no. Then 5. In 5 table you will get 25. 5 how much are 25? 5 5s are 25. Then 5 1s are 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 25s are 50. Now this completes. These are the prime factors. Is it? These are having only two common factors. That is what it is going to be. Get a factors of number itself and by number 1. Then 25. Here also this 25 will not get in a table 2. It will get in table 5 itself. 5 how much are 25? 5 5s are 25. Okay, then 5 1s are 5. Now what the prime factors you got, you have to write down here. Okay, the factors of 50. Factors of 50 is equal to, what the factors we got here? 2, 5, 5. 2, 5, 5. Then what the factors you got for 25? Okay, 5, 5. These are the two factors we got for 25. Then for 50 we got 2, 5, 5. Okay, you should not get confused. Okay, in the first method we have discussed this. In the second method, okay, to find the common factors, there we should not write these numbers itself. Okay, there we want to find the factors of the given number and those numbers should be right. But here in a HCF by prime factorization method, they are going to mention, means you want to write these numbers itself. Okay, prime factorization, if they mention, means you want to write these numbers. Only they are going to mention factors, means you should not mention these numbers. Okay, you want to find the factors of those numbers, then those numbers you have to write. Okay, then after writing this, after finding these factors of 50 and 25, we want to find the common factors. Now what are the common numbers we are going to see here? 5 is a common. Okay, then here also 5 is common. Two numbers we got common, is it? Now 5 into 5. 5 5s are how much? 25. Now HCF of 50 and 25 is how much we got here? 50 and 25 is 25. Okay, in this way you want to find the solution. Okay, dear students, I have taken this problem from your exercise. Okay, exercise 5.1 cement. Find the HCF by the following by prime factors. Okay, by prime factorization. This is the third question, 50 and 25. They have given 4 questions to you. I have solved 1 question here. Remaining 3 questions you have to solve by using the same method. Okay, I hope everyone are going to be solve these remaining problems and with this problem also in your rough notebook, and everyone should send me a photocopy. So this is all about an HCF. Okay, in HCF we have discussed this first method, HCF by inspection method. Inspection method means what? Multiplication method. Then in a method second we have discussed, that is by finding factors, HCF by finding factors. Then in a method 3 we have discussed HCF by prime factorization method. These are the 3 methods we have discussed under the highest common factor. Okay, and we have solved few problems also. Dear students, I hope I am very clear with my topic by solving all types of problems. Okay, and you also solve each and every problem, and you have to be thorough with the tables. Okay, you want to thorough with the tables from 2 to 20, then itself you can able to solve this type of problems. If you don't know tables, you cannot solve these problems. So I am telling you, everyone should compulsory perfect with the table 2 to 20. Okay, thank you.